In this video, we show the daily use case for our voice-based assistive drone for blind users. Let's go with Anna. Anna, who is blind, is visiting her friend's workspace. She is feeling a bit thirsty and wants to find her water bottle, but she can't remember exactly where she put it. For blind people like Anna, navigating an unfamiliar space can be challenging. Simple tasks like finding a misplaced item can become a source of frustration. What if Anna has a pair of flying eyes? Let's see how Anna interacts with the drone to find her water bottle. She activates the system by pressing the flick button and then gives her command verbally.
Help me find my bottle.
Before executing the generated code, the drone will confirm if the command was understood correctly.
To confirm, you would like me to find your bottle?
Anna can press the button once to confirm or twice to cancel her command. The drone now begins its search, systematically visiting key locations in the room. It uses its camera to identify objects at each spot and identify which location is most likely to have the bottle.
I'm flying to the table.
Throughout the process, the drone keeps Anna informed of its actions with real-time verbal updates, so she's never left guessing.
Now I'm checking the shelf. I found it. Your bottle is on the shelf.
The conversation doesn't have to end there. Anna can ask follow-up questions to learn more about her surroundings.
Can you list out all the important things on the shelf?
On the shelf, I see a huge plastic bag, some paper, and some boxes.
This is more than just finding a bottle. It's about empowering blind users with greater independence. In summary, our contributions include first, a prototype of a voice-based assistive drone for BLV people, and second, empirical insights generated in different stages of our study. We hope our work can serve as a starting point for further exploration of drones as meaningful assistive technology for the blind community. For more details, please refer to our paper.